In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn your Shopify store into an app. We'll take your existing store and, using a trusted mobile app builder from the Shopify App Store, get you to a working preview you can test like a real customer. Start by logging in to your Shopify admin on a desktop browser. From the left sidebar, open Home to center your view, then click Apps. In the Apps area, use the search bar and type Mobile App Builder. This tells Shopify you're looking for tools that convert your storefront into a mobile application. If you see a prompt or a sponsored result that takes you to the Shopify App Store, go ahead and follow it. From the results, select OneMobile, Mobile App Builder. On the app's listing page, take a moment to scan the details. You should see notes like free plan available and free trial available, which is helpful if you're evaluating without a big upfront commitment. Before installing, you can click View Demo Store to get a feel for the design options, navigation, and product presentation. This is a quick way to confirm the look and speed meet your expectations. When you're ready, click Install. Approve the permissions Shopify presents and confirm any additional prompts to add the necessary sales channel. Once installed, you'll land in OneMobile's Onboarding. Choose Build App from your Shopify store so the tool automatically pulls your products, collections, and branding. Click Continue, then start building your app to enter the visual builder. After your content loads, click. See your final app to generate a preview. Use the banner or button that says something like, "Your app is here." Preview it now to open the interactive emulator. Tap around to verify categories, product pages, the cart, and checkout. If something looks off, return to the builder. Adjust layout blocks, colors, or fonts, and save your changes. Next, click Next. Prepare for launch to move into the submission checklist. Here you'll find what you need for the App Store and Google Play, like app name, icon, screenshots, and descriptions. If there's an embedded tutorial, you can jump to the 2209 mark to skip ahead to publishing guidance. Finally, enable the option labeled Feel It Like a Customer and run through a full test order flow to confirm search, filters, and the checkout experience feel smooth. Pro tips as you go. Have your logo and brand colors handy, keep your navigation simple, and preview on different device sizes. You can set up push notifications, analytics, and deep links after your core experience is solid. When your preview feels right, you're well on your way to launching your store as a mobile app.